time to make some money now.
Keep on running back to you. See my face. Baby, give me one more chance.
What you missed on the previous vlog was the 5 a.m. morning routine. On that vlog, I show you guys everything from us packing up the U-Haul, unloading, setting up our tent, and the tent, that's a whole job itself. I show you guys the ins and outs of doing a pop-up and how to make it successful and how to utilize all the time that you have at any event you're doing. So yeah, go check out that video.
Running back to you. See my face. Baby, give me one more chance.
And this is a shirt we made. Well, I made it, the shirt. You guys go watch the vlogs. I vlog everything you guys know. Yeah, I'm still waiting for customers. Made a few sales. I recorded it. I showed you guys other vendors. And now I'm going to walk around, pass out these flyers for our pop-up event. You guys already know what's up. So, yeah, we're going to go see how everybody else is doing. It seems like it's a nice crowd. Yeah, it seems like a nice crowd. I just hope they move down there so we can start making some money down here. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can see. I don't know why it looks dark on my phone. Resting my feet right now.
think I can say like I was waiting for that. Yeah, check it out. Fucking have fun. I'll never be good.
No, we don't have a storefront. We're all online, and we do pop-ups here and there. This is our website. And then so we have a pop-up with all vendors. Come on through. That lady gave it to her.
So it's waiting for food. Tired. Well, I'm not tired. My back hurt right now. Alright, back to work, guys. Back to work.
Easy to say. Prices may vary. Restrictions apply.
Can't really see this. Pulling our weight. What you got in your hand? What's that in your hand? What's in your hand?
Ooh. I am sweaty, guys. Hold on, let me. Light is not it. I don't know. That's very skinny. Better. Guys, I know I look. I had to take off my. Okay. So I had to take off my eyelashes, guys. It's getting real. I don't know what's going on, but my eyes was like really watery. Yeah. So anyway, it's cooling down. It's cooling down and it's slowing down just a little bit. We made a few more sales, of course. I'm drinking some water because it's real. But yeah, so far I'm happy. I projected more sales, but it's fine. Okay. All right. Oh, another thing, we made some sales online. You guys know I'm in a good mood, amazing mood.
What we doing, baby?
Okay guys, so that is it. We are packing up. It was a successful day, guys. It was amazing. We sold out on about 3 dresses. And yeah, I'm so grateful. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
It's gonna be that first van over there by the entrance, okay?
By the entrance. Got it.
Let's just pick up truck.
Yeah.
Here. I'm gonna take the phone.
Alright,
Go through each driver's side. Dang.
Somebody throw up here?
Yeah.
Anything else? Oh, yeah. So, proof. Well,
And
back.
food. Back. I don't see anything. It's filthy. You see a mark?
Yeah.
There's no X on it?
What do you think?
either.
Oh, that's not. That's the dumb thing.
You think so?
Yeah. Anyway, we got it on footage.
Alright.
You want to check inside for the large keep scrolling and see what's next?
Oh, inside.
Yeah. They do these little trucks bad.
Hurry up in the back.
I'm not. It says the roof.
What? Roof? I know they lying.
I know they lying. This looks. So I guess they'll never wash it though, huh?
What you think? Good?
Good.
Alright.
Alright. He said go. Oh, he said go continue.
Alright guys, so we're expecting the U-Haul. This is life of entrepreneur, guys. Doing large pop-ups. Oh, the light's bad. So if we're doing large pop-ups like we are doing tomorrow, I mean this whole weekend, not just tomorrow, we need U-Hauls like this. A big U-Haul. Yeah. Act like I'm working.
Let me do it for the video.
Yes, I did.
Push it all the way up. To the back.